protection.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Epicus, what up? It's your boy Radekal Epic, and if you guess. Today I come to you with a video showing how to identify a scam, cause you still make a scam of them out that take on the money. That scam here is brought to you by the NCB choppers, and I'm going to show you how to avoid getting chopped. Cause I see a lot of on social media complaints say NCB a thief on the money. I don't know if that's the case, but either way I'm going to show you how to prevent yourself from making the scam of them take on the money. You know? So me there chillax and I receive a message from my phone now. Boom bang. The message is from a number 1876-815-9108. So I'm going to call up because I say if this was coming from NCB, I would have see it say NCB in the subject and not no number, right? So I check call up, and surprisingly when I check call up, I see it say NCB. So I say, oh, this legit. Not. Never did I say that. So I read the message. It says, NCB, your card has been restricted. To restore access, it is imperative that we verify your information promptly. Go to ncbeslink.com. Reference number DUQFFDJS. All of my red flag them must start go off, you know. Because me I say, why NCB wouldn't text me something like this? That's strange. So what me do? I just open the browser and I check our NCB previous link that I've used before if we go online, and it says ncbelink.com. And I come back on the scam text and I check it, it says ncbeslink.com. So I say, hold on, something strange on them two links here. One of them say ncbelink.com, the other say ncbeslink.com. So I say, hold on, there's an extra S. I start look for your snake, and I say there's a snake around. There's a scam around. Something is off. What's that extra S for? NCB electronic scam link. That's what they sent me. And they expect me to fall for that. So I saw the unsuspecting victim them now click on this link, and then boom bang, it bring you to a phishing website. Me not talk about a place you go catch fish. No, me I talk about a fake website that looks identical to the real website. That's what phishing is. So you're gonna click on this fake link, and it's gonna bring you to something that looks identical to NCB link, and you're gonna think, oh, I'm on the legit NCB website. And then you're gonna put in your password and put in all your information, and they're gonna steal it and go steal your money, and then you're gonna blame NCB. So luckily I'm able to identify this scam. So I want to be able to identify this scam too. So let me tell you now how to identify this scam. Don't click on no link. I say don't click on no link. If you get an email, I tell you say something wrong for your account, don't click on no link. Go on Google and type and go on the correct link. Don't click on a link and try to go on a link where you already click it purple. No click on a new link, because scam them out. You know? Or go on the official company's social media and click on their link from there if you can't identify it for yourself on Google. You know, it's a boy Radekal Epic, Epicus, you know, if you guess I'm out.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows protection.
Radekal and big.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.